Is AI reality's new architect? A robot sculpting a VR masterpiece. An AI-generated sci-fi epic rivaling Avatar. A virtual basketball star with a tearjerker backstory. A digital clone sharing a heartfelt memory. An AI teacher tailoring a quantum physics lesson. And a quantum AI diagnosing a patient instantly. At 14, I'm acing college, but Hollywood's losing its shine. Red One flopped in theaters, and even its 2.1 billion streaming minutes feel meh.
Alex, your curiosity's out of this world, thanks to our late-night science jams. AI is not just crunching code, it's directing blockbusters, revolutionizing sports, education, healthcare, and even companionship.
Welcome to Ever Wonder Why, where we decode tech's future. Today we're exploring AI's 2030 potential and its pitfalls. Let's dive in. Part 1. Digital robots, from baristas to boardrooms. Dad, X is buzzing about robots taking over. Can one debug my Python code, give a TED Talk in my style, and perfect my latte? Or are we just automating coffee runs?
Alex, your coding's already world-class, proud of you. Digital robots, AI-powered machines, or avatars are reshaping work. Picture this. Maya is a 25-year-old freelance artist and single mom. Maya's overwhelmed juggling client deadlines, social media, and her kids' school pickup. Her AI robot assistant, Spark, drafts client emails in her voice, 3D prints a sculpture prototype, and schedules a virtual gallery showcase. Spark's analysis spots a neon art trend on X, inspiring Maya's viral NFT series. She's at her kid's soccer game sketching while Spark secures a $10,000 commission. And now, Maya's a global art star. xAI's Optimus cut factory costs by 25% in 2025 pilots. South Korea's YTNAI anchor delivers news in 12 languages, no breaks. Starbucks Japan's AI baristas slashed wait times by 40% in 2024. Your latte's instant.
That's powerful, Dad. Robots could free up time for creativity, but could they replace my internship or just handle the grunt work?
Great question, kiddo. Spark boosted Maya's income 50% via NFTs. Coders with AI assistants ship 30% faster, but a 2025 McKinsey study warns 15% of jobs, like retail or data entry, could automate by 2030. Reskilling's key to stay ahead. By 2030, robots like Spark become your creative partners, unleashing endless possibilities. Spark designs a holographic exhibit that shifts with your emotions, selling out. Worldwide, robot therapists offer personalized support, slashing mental health costs by 80%. Robots run virtual cities, optimizing energy and traffic. Urban life seamless. A robot chef invents a viral mood dessert. Would you trust a robot therapist or chef? Comment.
Robots as allies sound dope. Next, Dad, can AI outshine Netflix's 6 out of 10 snooze fests? Part 2. AI media revolutionizing storytelling. Dad, Netflix's algo keeps pushing teen dramas. Total miss. Their 6 out of 10 ratings and flops like Red One are losing me. YouTube's where the energy's at. Can AI craft a sci-fi epic in hours that buries Hollywood's $200 million duds?
Alex, your taste is impeccable. Your sci-fi breaks from studying are spot on. Hollywood stumbling, AI media stealing the show. Check this out. Jaden's done with Marvel's predictable flops. Time for something fresh. Jaden uses Sora to craft a sci-fi epic starring himself in Rocket. With an EDM beat from Suno AI, Jaden's short hits 500,000 views. Aim hashtag Jaden on Mars Trends, earning film festival invites. What's your AI film idea? Jaden's a YouTube legend. Sora and Runway turned text into cinematic gold? A 2025 Sundance AI short won Best Experimental Film, stunning critics. YouTube's DIY vibe set the stage. but AI makes anyone a director.
That's next level, Dad. But if I'm binging AI-crafted epics, will I lose touch with my study group? Connection matters.
Wise words, Alex. Your heart's as big as your brain. YouTube creators like Jaden earn $10,000 to $50,000 plus monthly, some with high-profile sponsorships. Generative AI creators could amplify this, making YouTube the platform for entertainment and news. AI cuts film budgets by 60%, democratizing storytelling. But a 2025 Pew study warns heavy streaming can cut social time by 20%. Balance is key. By 2030, AI crafts films in hours, outshining Hollywood's flops. AI crafts Alex's quantum heist saga overnight. Star Wars meets physics. Personalized AI news anchors dive deep, debating live on command. AI series evolve with your emotions, thrillers that truly hook. YouTube's the media hub, creators earn millions. What's your AI vibe?
I'm dreaming of a quantum thriller and news that fact-checks itself. Next, AI sports. Real games can't compete with YouTube gameplay. Part 3, AI sports. Virtual arenas, real thrills. YouTube streamers bring virtual sports to life. Dad, I skip legacy professional sports for YouTube gameplay. Streamers draw bigger crowds than live sports. Nielsen says YouTube hit 11.6% of TV viewing in 2025, outpacing Netflix. Can AI craft a virtual league with athletes so real? With stories so gripping, I cheer like they're family.
Alex, your passion for tech's unreal. Our VR hoop sessions helped. YouTube gameplay's massive 27% of streaming time in 2025, 40% more than Netflix. AI sports are next level. Picture this. Sophia's bored with NBA stats and NFL games. Viewership's down 5%. Sophia joins CyberSlam Meet Blaze, her AI player with a story. Blaze's 360 dunk goes viral. Blaze MVP trends on X. Fans bet crypto. Sophia's Twitch hits 10K, earning $5,000. Sophia teams up with Jesser, designing a CyberSlam arena. Sophia's a virtual sports mogul, and she's not alone. The NBA's NBA launched in 2024, lets fans watch games reimagined as superhero animations, racking up millions of views among Gen Z on YouTube. EA Sports FIFA 25 uses AI to create lifelike gameplay that adapts to player styles, drawing in younger fans who crave realism.
Blaze feels alive, Dad. But can AI capture the raw chaos of a March Madness upset, or is it just polished pixels?
YouTube esports soar past the NBA, 84 million viewers. AI graphics amaze. 45% of Gen Z love AI sports. But real sports have soul like Cinderella stories. By 2030, AI sports leagues could eclipse real sports. HyperSlam's Blaze battles for glory. YouTube creators earn $100,000 monthly. Wonder Crew. Who's your AI sports star?
I'd cheer for Blaze. Next, AI clones. Can I duplicate myself to ace college and chill? Part 4, AI clones, your digital doppelganger.
Digital clones are here. Alex's clone takes the TED stage. NVIDIA's Omniverse avatars create virtual magic on set. AI pop star clone concert, 1 million live viewers. AI therapists heal, but can they blur reality?
Dad, college labs are intense at 14. Can an AI clone nail my Mandarin project, charm my profs, and stream NBA 2K like a YouTube star? Or is it just a glorified chatbot?
Alex, your work ethic's unreal. Our coding marathons paid off. AI clones are digital twins that amplify you. Picture this. Stanford's 2025 tests showed AI avatars mimicking users with 95% accuracy in tone and decisions. Microsoft's AI proxies handle 500,000 Teams meetings in Q1 2025. Secure your clone's data to avoid rogue twins. By 2030, AI clones could be eternal companions. Picture a digital clone of your best friend or grandparent, preserving their memories, humor, and quirks, chatting via hologram even after they're gone. Powered by exascale computing, they'd share stories or game with you in Fortnite, feeling eerily real. Clones that evolve, learning new skills, like your grandma's clone mastering quantum physics to debate your thesis. A memory vault where clones of loved ones form a virtual council, guiding you through life's big choices.
Clones could change how we connect. Next, AI education. Can it level up learning for everyone? Part 5. AI education, democratizing knowledge.
AI teachers bring lessons to life, tailored just for Alex. Coursera's AI courses empower learners worldwide. Google's certifications make AI skills a reality. Teams code their future. AI makes it possible.
Dad skipping high school to start college at 14 was wild. Thanks for all the study nights. But not everyone has access to great teachers. Can AI democratize education, giving anyone, anywhere, world-class learning tailored to them?
By 2030, AI teachers could transform education for all. Personalized lessons, coding, astrophysics, cooking, in any language. VR avatars gamify learning, debate Einstein, code with Turing. Certifications beat degrees, skills level the world. What's your subject?
AI teachers could empower millions. Last up, AI healthcare. Can it save lives as fast as it crafts movies? Part 6. AI healthcare, quantum leaps for life.
Quantum AI analyzes MRIs in seconds, faster care. Drug discovered in months, quantum AI saves lives. Personalized medicine, quantum AI tailors your cure. Quantum AI streamlines pharma, medicines reach all.
Dad, your science talks got me hooked on how tech can help people. Quantum AI's already boosting MRIs and drug discovery. Can it make healthcare accessible and personal for everyone by 2030?
By 2030, quantum AI could revolutionize healthcare with hyper-personalized care. Imagine a global AI health network diagnosing diseases in milliseconds, tailoring treatments to your DNA. AR health avatars guide your workouts and mental health synced to wearables. Universal AI healthcare, treatments under $100 globally. Privacy must lead the way. Your AI health dream?
AI healthcare could save billions of lives. Dad, this is mind-blowing. Conclusion.
Alex, AI's building a new reality. Robots creating, movies thrilling, sports gripping, clones connecting, education empowering, and healthcare saving lives. YouTube's outpacing Netflix and the NBA, with creators earning $10,000 to $50,000 plus dollars monthly, and AI's making it the platform for everything. By 2030, it could redefine how we live, learn, and love. The challenge? Keeping our human spark.
Loved this? Smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to join our rapidly growing subscribers decoding tech's future. Check out our other AI and space tech vids. Drop a comment. Let's geek out.